Dirt the Fisherman here, y'all. With my boy here. We're gonna do another little video for you. And he wanted to say hey.
Hi.
We got a little bit of cars open up here for y'all. So let's get to it and turn this turner around. And I still want to apologize for my turner. I don't know why. Like I said before, when it's cold, it wants to make a little noise. So I hope that don't aggravate y'all and continue to watch. All right, let's turn it around. Alright. Alright, first one open is going to be the Matchbox Moving Parts, the 75 Mitsubishi Lancer Celative. Matchbox is kind of hard to open up, and I got to help you on this one.
Why?
They're really hard for some reason. The hood opens up on it. I don't know if it'll stay open when we put it on the turner or not. I don't know, but we'll find out.
Let me open the hood.
It ain't gonna stay open, baby.
But I'll open it for him.
Alright, there it is.
There you bubbles his hand.
Yep. Before we put on there, I just want to show y'all that the hood does open on it. Alright, right down there is on the turner, y'all. We're gonna open up the Snoopy, the Peanut series. There you go. Open up.
Hot Wheels.
There's a Hot Wheels Snoopy.
Let me take it off.
Almost a man down, wasn't it?
I'm crushing it over class.
Alright, check that one out, y'all. Hey, little Snoopy. Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the 55 Chevy Parallel Gasser, the 52nd anniversary. There you go.
On the turner, his dog has what kind of orange?
Yeah, it does, don't it?
Yeah. That gasser.
Check the old gasser out, y'all.
But that gasser doesn't have a hood.
No, the gassers didn't have a hood on that one, baby.
Why?
Next is going to be the Hot Wheels 65 Ford Mustang. Wish I'd have kept my 65 Mustang.
But you can keep this one.
I can keep that one. Uh-oh. There we go. Let it out there turn around.
Why?
Let's let it turn around so they can see it. Alright, let's put the old Mustang on there. One of my favorite years. Let me turn him around, he can watch too.
He said bye-bye.
Yep. Up next is going to be the 55 Parallel, another gasser. But this is the green one with the Guster on it. Gusto. There you go.
Look on the roof. A
Okay.
monster on the roof. A monster on the roof.
Monster on the roof. Here we go. There's another gasser, y'all. I kind of like my gassers too. It's pretty cool.
I was that one.
Yeah. Up next is going to be the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster in the color difference for this year. Let's tear some more paper out, baby. There you go. You
I
got
drove
it.
it right out.
Yes, you did.
That one's gonna be next.
The next one's going to be for this year's too, y'all. Nissan Maximum, the drift car in red.
Oh, but it does have a hood too.
Nope, it don't have a hood either.
What?
It's got a hood, baby. It's a clear hood.
Why? Why?
I don't know. This is that series. Alright, y'all. Up next, another card from this year. The 84 Mustang SVO
I
in
don't,
silver.
sorry, I don't see Mustang badge.
They didn't put the Mustang badge. I mean, they got the Ford symbol on it. That's back in the 80s. I'll pull more paper out of it, baby.
The back was
See,
a
baby, it says
bandit.
Mustang right there. Mustang.
But why? I wrapped my nose on my jacket.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Another one for this year's, y'all, is the Roger Dodger in white and gold and black. As my son calls it, Minecraft.
I bet it pulled it right out. I backed it out and pulled it right out.
Yes, you did, didn't you? Alright, another one for this year's, y'all, is Mercedes-Benz 300 LL. SL, I mean. It was the super for this box right here. But this is just the regular.
This Hot Wheels wants to be a pain. It wants to be a pain.
Yeah.
It wants to be a pain.
This is a nice one here, y'all. I like the red color.
Me too.
Kind of looks orange in the video, don't it, baby?
Yeah. It's like Coopy Dog
Yep.
House.
Alright, y'all. Next up is the 55 Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser in red. It says Holly equipped on it. Another color variation.
And it's also a Chevrolet.
Yeah, it's the Gasser. Same as them right there, but we already got.
This one wants to be an easy paint.
Yeah. This is another casting that I'm locking on. That I'm starting to collect on. Check that one out, y'all.
It looks kind of orange on the tongue too.
Yes, it does, don't it?
I don't know the damn.
Yep. Up next, boy, is the Trucko in pink.
Mama might like this.
Mama may like that one.
And we have a Choco in the pack.
She might.
And I love this one.
You like that one?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I also like that one.
You also like that one too.
Mm-hmm.
Put that
That's
in there.
a big
Yeah, that's gonna
one.
be for another video, baby. All right, y'all. Up next is gonna be the Mazda RX-7 in blue. Look at that.
I want to be a pain too. What is this? What is this? What is this?
All right, y'all. What's next is gonna be a premium one. The 1985 Chevy Astro van, the drag van.
I'm just
This is a
gonna
pretty
move
cool one.
this
No, baby. Here you go. Open this
We
one.
can open this one next.
No. I told you that's another video. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Open that bad boy up.
I want to be a pain.
This is one of Pat's favorite cars.
Why?
Favorite casting. He likes this casting.
Me too.
Do that. Do some more. All right.
I
Check that
want to
thing
be a
out.
pain to open up.
Check that bad boy out, boy. This is a nice one right here, y'all. Real nice one. Check that bad boy out, y'all. Look at the old parachutes on the back of it and the wheelie bar. That is nice right there. All right, y'all. This is going to be it for this little video right here. We're going to turn it back around and say our goodbyes. All right, come here, baby.
Bye.
Come here. Alright, y'all. If y'all like what you'll see, subscribe to our channel. Please. Dirt Fisherman out.
Peace out. Peace out.